Scarlett has just brought it to my attention that in 1 week, I will be stepping into the ring with Rey Mysterio. Now, normally, I get really, really amped up before a fight. But this time, not so much. Because El Rey can't figure out whether he wants to be a family man or he wants to be the greatest of all time. In this business, you can't be both. That's not how it works. So now, I'm gonna take him out. And following that, I'm gonna take out all other 29 superstars in the Royal Rumble, because that's mine, too. Time is running out for everyone. Tick